Hey guys, we are at the Crusader Caravans manufacturing plant. We know the last video that we did showing you guys all of the Dreamhaven manufacturing here in Australia is something that you guys are wanting, needing to be able to understand how we manufacture these vans and to break down the lies, to take out all the bullshit that you're seeing online. We want to show you why, because seeing is believing. Today, we're going to show you what a roof layup looks like. Wow, so exciting. You are going to be blown away when this thing lifts off behind me, up in the air with all of the lifting cranes and equipment. Manufacturers around Australia do not build in this format. Why? Because the amount of infrastructure that this manufacturer has geared towards one style of manufacturer means that we are specialists in that one style of manufacturing. The roof gets made up in a completely separate section. It comes in as a blank canvas. We go ahead and have our team install all of your lights, your decals, your hatches, all at bench height, making the fitment and the installation absolutely second to none. So this process behind me is after the van comes through and it's starting to get its sidewalls on, it's starting to have all its solar, it's got everything fitted off, and it's ready for the lift up. So shortly, the team behind me are going to make sure that all the wiring's ready to go. All the plug and play wiring through the van body itself is ready to get plugged up and that roof installed. So at Crusader, we use a one-piece roof from the back to the front. This van is going to lay up to that little yellow reflector all the way to the front section of the tunnel boot, which means, of course, that it is a four-piece monocoque-like construction built caravan. And these guys behind us, in front of us, and on the side are going to go ahead and lay up Sikaflex adhesive that we've sent away to specialists to make sure that it is the best adhesive and constructional adhesive that a van could get in manufacturing to survive Australian conditions. We then have the team install specialized patented screws through the roof into the sidewall, adhering the whole thing in. Crusaders are built from inside out. All the furniture's in, ready for the sidewall to come up and complete the construction, like a matchbox. This thing is strong from the inside out. How do we make sure it bends? Oh my God, the competitor said it's gonna crack. Nonsense. We actually have science and we have specialists in the construction material. So we have heaters to make sure that the composite panel remains warm, even in cold climate construction. Front, back, we make sure that these heaters go over the top of the panels, making the panel and the fiberglass ready for that molding to occur. If you're looking at a Crusader and you've heard the nonsense from those Moranti poison manufacturers, well, open your eyes and just have a look at it. 50 vans a week. I'm not hearing of 50 problems. Why? Because these are built and laid up with top of the line equipment, top of the line staff, right here in Victoria, Australia. This thing, you can't beat. The construction, the method, and the science is uncanny. We're gonna see this thing laid up, you're gonna be blown away. You cannot beat the rear construction of these vans. I cannot believe when this van comes up and clicks in, people don't quite understand the reinforcement. There is bracketing, there is furniture panels, there's more bracketing that's even gonna go in still. Look at this corner bracket down here. Who the bloody hell in Australia is using corner truss manufacturing again with a constructional adhesive? Check this roof, it's about to get laid up. This is my favorite part of manufacturing. So just before the roof slaps up, everyone's always asking, patented screws. What do you mean? Well, Terry, this is what I'm talking about, buddy. This thing is a patented manufactured reverse threaded screw. I can't show you too much, of course, because it's patented and we don't want any copies. But this guy goes through, have a look, that front wall construction that's gonna finish flush here. Where are you gonna go, Bob? But how do they screw it together? They're just screwing it to foam, yeah? Beat that, guys, patented. Let's lay this bloody roof up and get going. Roof is in the air. We are laying up. Hard hats on, safety helmets, barricades assembled. Safety comes first. There are over 6 people helping, quality controlling, and making sure that this process goes on once and goes on right. Where a lot of manufacturers fail in the roof suspension, if they're even attempting it without the right equipment, you're out of your mind. But the doing it once and doing it right process is something that Crusader has perfected with the team at their manufacturing facility for years. The roof layup is an art process. It gets laid up, it gets into position, it goes in the exact spots that it needs to, and with the safety and precision that you would expect from a state-of-the-art manufacturer. So, as the roof lays up, these gentlemen on the back end of the Caravan are going to start adhering the screws that we mentioned earlier through the van body. And all across the perimeter of the van, we've got screws flying into the composite to make sure that this van gets put together the same as the rest to survive the Australian Outback and expectations that Crusader Caravan customers want. Connections for the lights, connections for the power, connections for all of the bits and pieces that this customer on their brand new Crusader Caravan Dreamhaven van expect. And that, my friends, as we can see, with the layup and precision of equipment, is art. Front to back, this thing is one-piece monocoque-like construction with precision, adhesion, and one-time go. No one in Australia in a manufacturing process can even get close to a 2026 manufactured state-of-the-art Crusader Caravan. So the question remains, why are you looking at any other van on the market except for a Crusader? Do your research, buy once, buy right, save your money. 2026, year of the Crusader, year of the Dreamhaven Caravan built by Crusader, and why not your year? Give us a call, 03 935 92938. Head to the website for more of this awesome, lovely looking content, www.crusadercaravansmelbourne.com.au. Alternatively, Bob, like and subscribe. We love you and Julie watching our videos. We'll see you at the next one when we're building yours. Bon voyage, arigato gozaimasu. Peace.